In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PPT by using Gamma Eye. First, open your browser and head to gamma.app. On the home page, choose Sign Up or Log In. After you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Click Create New to begin a fresh project and open the creation flow. You'll be asked how you want to start. You can generate with AI, begin from a blank canvas, or pick a template. If you want the quickest path to a polished deck, choose Generate with AI. Templates and blank projects are great when you already have a structure in mind, but the AI option builds that structure for you in seconds. Now enter your topic in the prompt box. You can type something like marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners. Keep your prompt clear and specific so the outline matches your goal. When you're ready, click Generate. Gamma will automatically create slides with a suggested outline and draft content, giving you a strong starting point instead of a blank page. Next, review and refine what the AI produced. Click any slide to edit the text directly. Add or remove sections to fit your message, and rearrange slides by dragging them into the order that tells the best story. Aim for short, scannable headings and concise bullets so each slide communicates one clear idea. With the structure in place, customize the design, change the theme or style to set the overall look. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand or the tone of your presentation. You can also add images, icons, or videos to bring key points to life. Gamma keeps layouts clean and modern, but it's still worth checking contrast and spacing to keep everything readable. If you need more material, click plus Add Card. Use this to insert text blocks, images, videos, charts, or even embeds like links and websites. Charts are perfect for data-heavy points, while embeds help you reference live content without cluttering your slides. To polish the writing, highlight any text and open the AI options. You can rewrite for a different tone, expand to add depth, or simplify to make complex points clear.